Hello YouTubers. Well, not the most exciting video today, but maybe this will help somebody out. My Trailblazer 2002, and this goes for just about all the Trailblazers. I did a video earlier thinking I could just kind of temporarily fix my blower resistor, because on 3 I have no, actually number 4, I have no speed whatsoever, but it works fine through all the other speeds. So online, I went and ordered a brand new one. I get this for free shipping. Only took about 4 or 5 days to get it. I think it was like $12. This is what we're going to replace, and this should take care of our blower issue. Pretty common. These go out. And the tools that we need, pretty simple. Just a 7/32 little socket. And you don't have to take out your glove box or anything, which is great. And I've kind of got the flashlight down here set up where you can kind of see where it is, and mine is right there. Now we have to take that screw out there, and one on the back there, drop it down, and disconnect this wire right here to the back of this blower motor, which is not too bad to do. But for now, we'll go ahead and take off these 2 little bolts here, get this job started. Alright, here comes number 1. I'm glad they put this in an easy place, because some cars you got to take the dash out. Here comes the second one, and be careful because you might get some stuff falling down your face, dust or whatever. Alright, let's drop this down, get the bolt there. And in my last video I thought I could just take this apart and fix it, and there's the wire I already disconnected on the back of the fan, so I can save some time here. And I thought maybe I could just fix it, you know, but you can see how rusted up it is. It's probably burnt up on the inside there somewhere. But now we got to disconnect this plug right here. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. Oh, I did, huh? Sort of, I got it. There it is. So now when you take yours apart, make sure you check the wiring. I see a lot of these are melted right here where the hot wire is, the red wire, and check on the inside. If your connectors look good, then you probably have a pretty good system set up there, and I don't see anything burnt. Although that one looks a little warm. Looks like it's gotten pretty warm, but can't really tell. But anyway, there's that, and here is the new one. Let's match it up. Make sure everything's the same. Plug's the same. That looks to be about the same. Yep. Alright, so now we'll just go ahead and install it, and just install it in reverse order. I'll probably have to set the camera down here to go ahead and hold my screw and hold this up here at the same time, so we'll go ahead and stick this up. Alright, we got it up in there as good as we're going to get it. We got the screws kind of started there, so we'll go ahead and tighten these up. Shouldn't take too much to tighten them up. Tighten with my hand probably faster. One in the back here. Doesn't have to be very tight, just kind of snug them down. That's what we'll do here. So, oops, sorry about the camera. I'm shooting this on my cell phone. So much faster. It's to a point that cell phones, cameras, and editing systems that you can get for your cell phone is almost faster than your computer at the house, your laptop or desktop or whatever. Alright, so there's that. Now let's go ahead and switch this plug around, see if we can get this in there. Alright, so we gotta plug that in there, and let's see. Alright, we're in like Flynn. And now we'll take our other wire here, which is right here. We're gonna plug it in the back of the motor back here. Let's see, I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a plug. If I shine my light right there, that's where we're going to plug it in. Actually, right there where my thumb is. There we go. Boy, that was a tight place there. So, not much room between that and the glove box, but this is where we're going to plug it in right there. I think you can see the plug right there. Right about there. So, we'll plug this in, and we'll be done. I'm going to have to set the camera down, actually, to do that one, because that's a little tight with my hands there. Oh, did I get it? Alright, I got it. All right, that's in. All right, so we're done. All right, so let's go ahead and start it up here and see what we get. Turn the key on. Get all my stuff out of the way. And shut the door. So the ding, ding, ding doesn't drive me nutty. All right, so let's go ahead and put the key in. We'll turn it on. It's accessory. See what we got. All right, so we got 1, 2, it's working. 3, working, and 4 is the one that did not work. Let's see if it works. Yes. And 5. So we fixed it. Yes. Now I can turn it on number 4 and drive down the road and wonder, hey, it's not working. But before I would have it on 4 and be driving. I was like, why is it so hot in here? And I realized number 4 did not work, but it does now. So great. So that's it. That's all you have to do. So this will apply to any of your fan speeds. Usually on these vehicles, I usually see the highest one burnt out, but you know, if you have 5 speeds like this, it could be 4 or 5 or even 3. But if you have that problem, one of them's not working, now you know what to do and where to go to. So that's it. So that's how you replace the fan motor blower motor resistor in a Trailblazer. So I know there's probably a million videos, but I thought I'd just share my experience and let you know it's not too bad to do. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And guys, till my next video, hope you have a good one, and I'll see you later.